Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the real audio you want. Tap the audio to open its page and confirm it's shareable. Once done, save the audio to your collection or tap Use Audio so it loads into the editor. Make sure you note the start time and desired clip length. This matters because stories only accept short snippets. Now, switch to story creation so you can paste that audio onto your video or image and prepare timing. You now add your content into story mode, select the photo or video and tap the sticker icon, then choose music so you can access saved audio. Once you pick the real audio, trim it precisely. Drag the handles to set start point and clip duration. To align audio with visuals, pinch and drag the timeline and watch playback. It's essential to preview multiple times so beats hit visual cuts. Make adjustments until the timing feels natural and intentional. Finish by balancing audio levels. Lower original clip volume and raise the added music so vocals or key sounds remain clear. Once you're satisfied, add captions or a sticker to credit the creator, then tap Share to post as a story. If the audio fails to attach, close and reopen the app, or go back to Reels to resave the audio and try again. Sometimes a quick restart fixes permissions or caching issues. This is the single most useful troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.